Hello, hello, hello. This is Maya, and this is day 1 of anatomy study. There was an introduction, but I really don't want to read it, so we just skip to the first chapter. I read it all, but I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing them wrong in my mind, and I have no idea what I'm doing. Annotating makes me feel smart. Yay! Blocking that because, I don't want to get reported or something. Yeah. Day 1 completed. We started on page 18. Did one chapter all the way to page 33. Now, on day 2, I'll be starting chapter 2. So, what did I learn? I learned that bones poke out, so that's why we have to learn them. And it helps us understand what's going on underneath. I learned that the difference between male and female skeletons is that males are taller, wider, and thicker, and females are shorter, and they have thinner bones and they're smaller. And then I learned little things like having a shorter femur makes the hips look bigger, wider. The upper part of the pelvis is tilted forward because of pregnancy. This something gap area is wider than males, and they have a smaller gap area. And yeah, I also learned that the average male or female height is approximately 7.5 to 8 times the length of their own head. I used to think it was 6. I was wrong. Also notice this, for male or females, 2 heads is about where you find the nipples, about 3 is where the hips start, and this is where I call it the hip box is, and then the rest are legs. And this is I want to say a half a head, which is where the feet are. Maybe if you're on releve or slash tippy toes, it would be completely 8, I'm guessing. Maybe, I don't know. Also, I learned that fat gathers in the center and then spreads out the rest. When you're extremely underweight, your bones sulk in, which I kind of already knew, but I have an image. Also, we have different proportions as children. And yeah, I kind of already knew this, sort of, but not really. Foreshortening, where when it's closer to you, it's bigger. When it's farther away, it's smaller. Okay, bye-bye now.